Hello from the American Muscle Car Museum here in Melbourne, Florida. Today from the collection we've pulled out a beautiful 1971 Mercury Cougar XR7. This vehicle, as you look at it today, has 28,434 miles, and I'm the third owner of this vehicle. It was sold new in Marion, Kansas, to a gentleman who lived in Emporia, Kansas. Very striking color combination called competition blue from a Mercury point of view. In 1971, Mercury produced a little over 350,000 Mercuries, and of that they produced about 57,000 Mercury Cougars. In total, they produced a little over 25,000 Mercury Cougar XR7. The original Cougar in 1967 to 1970 really was a pony car. It followed in the Mustang's footprint. 1971, Mercury wanted to go upscale and truly compete with what they called the performance luxury market. And General Motors had two vehicles in that market. Those were the Oldsmobile 442 and also the Pontiac Grand Prix. Both of those power plants in the Olds as well as the Pontiac had large engines. And what do we have here? Top of the line Ford power plant. 429 Cobra Jet, 370 horse, has 450 foot-pounds of torque, and it's connected to a C6 automatic transmission. Quarter mile time was a little over 14.5 seconds at a top speed of about 98 miles per hour, according to the magazines at that time. Knowing that this is a 429 Cobra Jet automatic transmission, the vehicle weighs about 3,300 pounds. It wasn't what you would say a very fuel efficient vehicle. Highway, it was rated at 14 miles per gallon. In town, 7 miles per gallon. And in 1971, sunroofs were, quote, the in thing to have for a vehicle. This vehicle, as you can see here, was one of the very first factory sunroofs produced by Mercury. Not a cheap option, a very expensive option to add to your vehicle. It had 1 of 57 with a factory moonroof, and this body style, per the Marty report, is extremely rare. One thing we pride ourselves in here at the American Muscle Car Museum is documentation. Not only will you see national show-winning quality vehicles here, but you're going to see the documentation that backs up what the car stated it should be. Check us out at theamericanmusclecarmuseum.com. Also check us out and follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Have a great day. Thank you.